Welcome to another episode of the EAN Sustainability Spotlight series, where we discuss and discover EAN's innovative strategies, ideas, and solutions for a more sustainable future. I'm your host, Amira Mohammed, and today we have with us Sabri Yahya, Chief Technology Officer of EAN International. Sabri has over than 20 years of experience in telecommunication and information technology. So please join me in welcoming Sabri in the show. Welcome, Sabri, and we are really excited to have you with us today.
Thank you very much, Amira, and I'm looking forward to participate.
To begin with, can you tell us about EAN's recent initiatives to support the UN's zero emissions race and its role as a lead technology partner for COP28?
I'd like to start with COP27, where EAN announced its pledge to reach net zero by 2030 for Scope 1 and 2 in UAE. Since then, we've launched a climate action program that included strategic initiatives to reduce our carbon footprint. And as we are approaching COP28, we've extended our program to include all our international operating companies and to add Scope 3 as well.
The commitment to achieve net zero consumption by 2030 is an ambitious target. How does EAN plan to achieve this?
Yeah, basically we're following two interrelated approaches. The first one is to improve the energy efficiency of our equipment significantly. And when I say significantly, I mean we need to break the energy curve by ensuring that the energy consumption in our network and data center will remain the same, even with the exponential increase of data traffic. Mm-hmm. The second approach is more related towards the renewable energy. Mm-hmm. So we've initiated a number of strategic initiatives to increase the proportion of renewable energy by deploying on-site renewable and by signing long-term power purchase agreements, mm-hmm. and by also ensuring that we get more renewable energy from the grid, basically by buying renewable electricity certificates.
Let's talk about progress. What progress has EAN made on achieving its 2030 net zero target across its operations?
I think the most important initiative is the network modernization. So we're continuously rolling out new network elements and modernizing existing ones. This helps to improve the energy efficiency of the network. And we get better results as well by activating the machine learning features. We've done that in UAE and in some of our operating companies outside UAE. And as you know, we face different challenges in different markets. So in markets like Pakistan, where we operate under the brand of PTCL and Ufone, and in Afghanistan, where we operate under the brand of Etisalat Afghanistan, we've deployed a hybrid solution to minimize the consumption of diesel fuel. So in Afghanistan, for instance, 50% of our mobile sites are off-grid, not connected to the grid. And recently, the Etisalat Egypt team, they managed to sign an agreement with the Renewable Energy Authority.
Renewable energy.
Yeah, to supply 100% of the network connected to the grid using renewable energy. So we would like to replicate the same in other operating companies.
A lot of work.
Yeah. So the progress is quite good, I would say.
Yes.
And we're measuring it on monthly basis. So I can say in UAE, when we set our pledge to reach net zero by 2030, we had 7 years. So when we looked at the progress of 2023, we are on our way to meet the target and exceed the targets of 2023.
What should be the top priorities for companies globally, especially in technology and telecom, to make a difference towards climate change?
Maybe I could refer to a POC that we conducted in UAE last year. We had one site with 2G, 3G, and 4G technologies, and we decided just to replace it with a new site using modernized equipment. Mm-hmm. And when we completed the proof of concept, the electricity consumption was reduced by 52%.
52%?
Yeah, and that translates to 7.6 tons of CO2 reduction annually per site. And another aspect is, even though the ICT sector contributes to 2 to 3% of the global emission, the ICT sector has the potential to reduce up to 20% of the greenhouse emission contributed by other heavy and intense energy industries.
I like how these initiatives are looking into the small details, and these small details are making a big difference in the long term.
Exactly. And I would say combining mobility with digital technologies, when implemented at scale, it can have a profound impact in driving sustainability across various industries, not only ICT. And as E&, we would like to lead all those new initiatives in all the operating companies that we operate in. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Sabri Yahya, Chief Technology Officer of E&, International, for joining us in the show. Your insights and expertise have been really invaluable. Thank you so much, and wish you all the best in all these promising initiatives.
Thank you very much, Amira, for hosting me. Thank you.
Thank you.